How to Learn English, a complete guide for beginners and advanced learners. Learning English is not something that happens overnight. It is a continuous journey that requires patience, consistency, and the right approach. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who already knows a little English, the key is to make learning a daily habit. The first step is to set clear goals. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it for a job? For travel? To study abroad? Or simply for personal growth? Knowing your purpose will keep you motivated even when learning feels challenging. Next, focus on building a strong foundation. Learn the basics of grammar, such as sentence structure, verb tenses, and common word patterns. You don't have to memorize every rule at once. Start with the present tense, then move to the past and future. For example, learn how to say, I eat breakfast every morning in the present tense, and then how to change it to the past, I ate breakfast this morning. This step-by-step approach will help you understand how the language works. Vocabulary is another essential part of learning English. Without words, you cannot express yourself. Start by learning the most common 1,000 words, because these are used in most everyday conversations. Use flashcards, mobile apps, or a vocabulary notebook to record new words, their meanings, and example sentences. For example, if you learn the word beautiful, write down, the sunset is beautiful. Review these words daily until they become part of your active vocabulary. Listening is one of the fastest ways to improve your English. Listen to English every single day, even if you don't understand everything. Watch movies and TV shows with English subtitles. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or audiobooks. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words and how they connect sentences. For example, in natural speech, going to often becomes gonna. These small listening details will make your English sound more natural. Speaking is where most learners struggle, but it's also the most important skill. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start speaking from day one, even if you make mistakes. Practice by talking to yourself, describing what you are doing, or repeating sentences you hear in movies. If possible, find a language partner or join an online speaking group. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes sometimes, so don't be afraid of errors. Writing is another skill that will improve your grammar and vocabulary. Keep a daily English diary where you write about your day, your thoughts, or your plans. You can also try writing short stories, emails, or social media posts in English. Over time, you will notice that your sentences become longer and more accurate. Another powerful method is immersion. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change your phone and computer settings to English. Label items in your home with their English names, like mirror, door, or refrigerator. Try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. This may feel difficult at first, but it will help you become more fluent. Set realistic and measurable goals for your learning. For example, I will learn 10 new words every day, or I will speak in English for 5 minutes without stopping. Small goals are easier to achieve, and they give you a sense of progress, which keeps you motivated. Finally, be patient and consistent. Learning English is like planting a tree. You cannot expect it to grow in a single day. Water it every day with practice, and over time, it will grow strong. Spend at least 30 minutes to 1 hour daily on English learning. Some days will be easy and fun, and other days will be more difficult, but as long as you keep going, you will improve. Remember, the secret is not to study harder for a short time, but to practice regularly for a long time. If you follow these steps: clear goals, strong grammar, active vocabulary, daily listening, speaking practice, regular writing, full immersion, and patience, you will not just learn English, you will live in English. And when you live in a language, fluency becomes a natural result.